Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete your likes and dislike on YouTube. Okay, first of all click on YouTube app and tap on profile icon and click on settings option. Okay, and click on manage all history. Okay, just wait few seconds and click on interaction and click on like and dislike. Show your all like its video and dislike video, that's all, and comments. Okay, then back, tap on comments, like and dislike. Just tap show your all comment, like and dislike videos, that's all. Just tap this option to delete. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.